Welcome back to another video. Today's the day, y'all. We're officially moving. Are y'all excited? Because I'm excited. My man's excited, I'm excited, we're all excited, and I can't wait. So if you guys watched my previous video, then you may have already seen a sneak peek of the apartment. If you didn't watch the video, go back and watch it right now. But also, you guys are gonna see the apartment in this video as well. It's literally gonna be a full-on moving vlog, and it's also going to be a unfurnished apartment tour, because I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek of the apartment, and then we're gonna move all of our stuff in. But yeah, right now we're moving all of our stuff out of our old apartment and over to our new apartment. So we're gonna do that really quick, put everything in the car, and then we're gonna head over there and like grab the keys, because we're already late, of course, for our elevator appointment, but it's okay. This babe, he's throwing out stuff right now. Yeah, he's just throwing out stuff. But yeah, we literally gotta go grab our keys and then we gotta come back. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Yo, bro. Yo. Oh, sorry.
So y'all, we're literally in the process of moving right now. We're driving over there as we speak. Sorry, I had the blinker on, but we're driving over there to the apartment as we speak. And I'll show you guys like a little bit of the lobby and stuff like that, like probably before we go in, because we have to get our keys. But I'm so excited. Literally, I've been so excited all day. I could not wait to get off work, but we'll be there in a sec. So as we walk into our apartment, we first have the closet on the left, which I'm showing you guys now. So this is the closet that is like for our bedroom, but it's not inside of our bedroom, it's in the hallway. It's a pretty decent size though, and it has shelving in there and drawers, so I really like that. This is our bathroom. I had trouble finding the light at first, but this is the bathroom. I love the bathroom. It's one of my favorite parts of the apartment. I really like the shower and the seat in the shower. We also put some new stuff in the bathroom now that we kind of furnished stuff, but I'll show you guys that later. And then you have the mirror, which also lights up with like a background light, which is really nice. And then this is the bedroom. It's like right across from the closet. It's a little small, but that's okay because we're not gonna spend that much time in there. We're only sleeping in the bedroom, so it's fine. And this apartment also came with a washer and dryer, which really loved that. And they're pretty big, so that's also good as well. And then this is our kitchen / living room area. So we're going to definitely put a couch in here, definitely mount the TVs on the wall, but love the floor to ceiling windows. And love the kitchen itself. Love the kitchen. So much counter space, so much cabinet space. The appliances are all like the same color as the cabinets. You can't really see like the TV or the dishwasher, but it's there. You could kind of see the handles on the fridge, but it all blends in, which I really like. And then this is our balcony. I'm gonna take you guys out there now. It's definitely pretty big, which we really like that about the balcony. There's a lot of like space to put stuff, and the view is just chef's kiss. You could see the amenities right from our balcony, and you kind of have like a good view, so you could see if anybody's like down there at the pickleball court or the basketball court before you go down. But love this apartment. Yes, y'all, we're about to finish moving in. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in a little bit. But we're almost there, y'all. Almost done. Well, not really, but probably like 25% of the way there on like moving our stuff in. We had to do a quick Target stop to get an air mattress. I'll show you guys that. Right, because our bed is not here yet, so we had to get that mattress. The babe is moving some more stuff onto our little trolley that they gave us. It's so small. Luxury apartment building, and our old apartment building has a bigger trolley than this. What the heck is this?
Hey,
but yeah, now we're going inside.
It's nicer. I feel safe. You see the parking lot? Yeah, my Echo. We're the only ones down here.
For real. Okay, so I also wanted to show you guys some of our amenities. So now we're in the gym. This is specifically our yoga room where, you know, you guys saw the punching bag and these medicine balls, kettlebells, whole bunch of stuff in there. You can also do yoga in here, stretch. They have yoga mats. We have Stairmasters, treadmills, row machines, TVs in here, which they were playing Naruto. If you know me, you know I love anime. I love that. They also have a lot of other weights on the other side. And then you walk out of the yoga room, doors outside, and you have the saunas right here, that little lounge area with the chairs. These are individual saunas, which is super great. They also have a steam room here as well as a bigger sauna area. Then you can kind of walk around the corner past like some of these lounge areas where you can set up for dinner, you can grill. And then you have our volleyball court and the basketball / pickle court, which we love that. And we also have the pool, which is kind of like an infinity pool, like it looks like it's filled up to the top. And then you see like our building, the backside, a little bit more of the view that you get. There's also the game room, lounge area. I didn't want to go through like too much, but I just wanted to show you guys like a little bit of the amenities that we do have in this building. Love it. So it's the next day, y'all. And we are officially all moved into the apartment. I'm not going to show you guys too much of that because it is a mess in here. But you guys already saw like, you know, the fully empty apartment. So you kind of already seen like the whole layout. Right now we're in the living room. Our patio furniture actually arrived today. So that's kind of where we're going to leave it off. We're going to be putting together our patio furniture. And we have a bunch of other furniture that's going to arrive over the next couple of days as well, like our table chairs for our dining room table, which is already here. We already have our bed frame. We're just waiting on our mattress to get here, which is going to arrive over the next couple of days. But yeah, we just have a little bit more furniture coming. But overall, we love the apartment, right, babe?
I love this apartment. It's the best in the world.
We get your hoodie on like that. Like, they really can't even see your eyes for real.
You can't show your man face. You know what I'm saying?
All right, no face.
No face, no case. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, right. But yeah, sorry for my hair, guys. Sorry for, you know, if we look a little bit crazy, but we've been moving and doing all that good stuff, and it's been a lot of freaking work. But like we just said, we love our new place. We're happy to be here. I'm excited to like decorate everything and just get everything all ready. We're already talking about doing a housewarming party. We'll see if that happens. But yeah, this is the end of the moving vlog part 1. I'm gonna be doing like a bunch of other videos just to show you guys like how everything turns out, like our patio furniture and stuff like that, and just how we furnish the entire apartment. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.